Welcome back. You guys asked for it. 69% of you said you wanted to see more adventures. Well, before I do that, I've got to have a look at my bike. There's a few things that really need attention. These front brakes are really toasted. They are sticking to the rim and the cable's popping out up here. The rear brakes are just as bad, but we are going to use some second-hand parts to fix it. So let's go to the recycling centre and see what we can find. Alright guys, here we are. I've come up to my local recycling centre and hopefully I can get the parts that I need to fix my bike here. I've just been absolutely thrashing it and I haven't done any work on it since Europe, and the brakes are getting really dodgy. So before I go on any adventures, I think I should fix those brakes at least. So let's get on inside here and see what we can find. Oh, that's neat. It's like a little stool. Folding. That's tent poles. What's that? That's definitely a tent. There you go guys, you can find tents in here. In tents. Camping bed, $10. $5. Treasure chest. It's a race car bed. Here's the bikes. Wow, look at that. 45. It's missing at least one wheel. 120? What the hell? What is that? Might be just what I need. $3. Alright, on closer inspection, I discovered that this is a Mamachari. That is from Tokyo. You can see it's got the registration sticker on the bike. I believe that's from straight out of Tokyo. It's definitely Japanese. 300, they want 300 for the Mamachari. Amazing. Well, that's exactly what I need. Performance program, Lance Armstrong. There's no stopping me now. How much is the book?
$1 each.
Look at that, it's going to teach me the secrets of Lance Armstrong's performance.
Be just like him. $5.
Thank you very much.
Sweet guys, you have a good day.
You too. So here's what I got, guys. I got this bike part here for $3. And that's got the brakes, hopefully, that I can use to fix the brakes on my bike. I got a pair of jeans. Man, these look brand new. You can tell by the cuffs around there. They were $1. The best pick of the day. It's Lance Armstrong, the Man Machine, 7 times Tour de France winner. That is really going to help my success. Alright, let's see if we can fix these brakes. I think what the actual problem is in here. There's a spring in each one of these. The little plastic bush that holds it can also wear out. Out of our spare parts, we can get the bits that we need to at least improve the brakes here. So this little bit in here, you can see, I don't know if you can see that. At the bottom there, it actually looks like it's nearly fractured. And it's not sitting in there right. Right, check this one off the donor bike. That's looking a lot better. There's the old part there. There's the replacement. Now that my bike is fixed, it's time to get out of the city. There's just a few more things that I need to get ready. The budget for the trip is extremely low. And as you guys suggested, $0 to $20 per day. Let's see if we can keep that closer to 0. Everyone agrees the best way to save money when you're on the road is to take your own accommodation. For that reason, I've got my trusty tent. We'll also be taking a sleeping mat and a sleeping bag. It's time to pick up supplies. Chicken cordon bleu, that's an old favorite, reduced to clear. I have my homemade bread, cup noodles, a few muesli bars, a chunk of cheese, ground coffee, half a salami, my salt and vinegar chips, and a beer. I usually travel with my gas stove with resealable cartridges. However, on this trip, I've decided to do something a little different. I'll be building a hobo stove. I'm so excited. This package has just arrived and it's my new t-shirts. Hot off the press. The all-new Hobo Cyclist pusher design. Whoa! Now available in black. Won't show up those stains. I'm also excited to introduce my campfire design t-shirt. Wow, so if you need a fresh clean t-shirt for your next adventure, you know what to do. Visit the links below. Ooh, that's nice. I think I'll save this one for good. And now, back to the video. I'll be building my hobo stove out of 2 cans. I have a bean can on the bottom, and then on the top I've got a condensed milk can. It fits on there perfectly, and then that way I can use it as a little pot with the wire handle so that I don't burn my hands. I plan to use this to boil water for my noodles and my coffee, but I'm going to test it out before I hit the road, just to make sure it works. This looks pretty good. I think we're ready to go. Join Hobo Club for exclusive access to the adventures, plus more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.